Hello all my two-dimensional friends. I wanted to show you my fantastic new listing at 120 Wake Robin. It's coming soon, as of Friday, but you have to see this place. There's the living room. It's got hardwood floors, big beautiful bright windows, fresh paint. The kitchen is brand new quartz counters, all new appliances, range hood, brand new, never used. Beautiful floor. Has a really long driveway and this lovely woman is shoveling the driveway. And it has a separate garage, but let's go upstairs. All right, hardwood floors again. Beautiful bathroom, updated. Hardwood floors. There's the garage. Good sized lot. Good sized closet. Then there's bedroom number 2. Fresh paint. And then we'll go up here to another bedroom, which is the 3rd bedroom. Open house Saturday 2 to 4 and Sunday. There's me in my overcoat. All right, I'm going to show you the finished basement. 2 levels that are finished. Let's head downstairs. My live got cut off. I have to show you the outside. Oh, what a lovely back door. Right to my garage. Here's the mountains of snow that will not be included with the property as it will be melted before you buy it. There's a garden back there. Back of the house. Fully fenced. You can grow corn. I think that's what they were growing. Long driveway. Oh, isn't that nice? Like I said, open house Saturday and Sunday. All right. All right. Thank you for watching my live with my big fuzzy hat and my overcoat. Starting price $650,000, and we're holding offers till Thursday. But if you'd like to see it privately, then just give us a call. We'll have to help you out.